In this video, I'm going to show you how to create professional presentations in handwritten slides generated by an AI. And the tool that we're going to use for today is NotebookLM. So we're going to do that using NotebookLM, which is powered by Google. Let's start by accessing how NotebookLM. You can access it by always coming to notebooklm.google.com over here, and then you can sign in with your Google account to be brought in here. And as usual, you can create a new notebook from here or from the top new here. You can say create new and you'll be able to create a new notebook. You can add sources from web search, or you can check your drive. You can do fast research directly or deep research if you want. And then you can add sources from uploaded files within your system, from URLs of websites and YouTube links, or from drive again, or from a copied text. All these can serve as sources. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use one of my existing NotebookLM notebook that I've created. Let's say we're going to use this hydropower infrastructure project that I have worked on, and I've added some sources. Like you can see, I've added series of sources, mostly from the web. Okay, so now to create this particular slide in handwritten format, all we need is to refer to these sources by coming to the studio over here, and you can go to slide deck. Click on this arrow. Now on clicking, you can see we have two options, either a detailed deck or a presenter deck. So the difference is that the detailed deck is a comprehensive deck with full text and details, perfect for emailing or reading on its own. Okay, and presenter slides are clean visual slides with key talking points to support you while you speak. And this is perfectly what you are looking for. Now you can define the language. You can see so many languages available. I'm just going to use English. You can make it short or keep it at default. Okay, and then the number of slides, number of sources, you can select or unselect the sources in here. You may decide to just uncheck one of the sources, and you can confirm this, and now you have 9 sources. Now the detail of the slides that you need to add, let's say we have this detail. So I say create a slide deck from these sources that looks like student handwritten notes following these rules. Okay, all diagrams, flowcharts, tables, drawings must be created in handwritten style, and keep the language simple and student friendly. Short clarification words, and slides should be like high quality handwritten A4 pages. You can see I have just defined what is needed. I'll provide this prompt for you to use in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and click on generate, and this is now going to help us to generate that particular slide.